Phase 1 is a market-leading technology business focused on image capture and image processing. Founded in Copenhagen, Denmark in 1994, Phase 1 set out to revolutionize the world of high-end film-based photography through the introduction of digital technology. The company created a digital back, which replaced the photographic film in professional cameras, transforming the way photographers work with images.
Phase 1 is a digital imaging pioneer, serving the best of the best photographers with ultimate image quality.
It's a company packed with passionate people that are passionate about photography, technology, and high-quality images.
If Mario Testino or Annie Leibovitz are doing a high fashion campaign or for a famous car company, for famous jewelry, they would typically use a Phase 1 camera. Phase 1 cameras would amount for approximately 80% of the covers on Vogue.
If you are into photography, why shouldn't you allow yourself to get the best quality equipment in the world? And therefore, we also have a big appeal to those kind of people.
We have a specialized division who basically builds and sells industrial cameras for aerial photography.
Here the objective is to help create very, very fine image quality, and this can be, for instance, in aerial mapping or aerial documentation. It could be inspection of large objects, typically for cultural heritage preservation.
Image quality is also very important because if you can fly higher and take a larger area and still get high enough resolution, then you save on flying hours. Or if you just can make a better image quality and you can make a better map.
We have a software business called Capture One. We've opened up the Phase 1 software to cover more than 400 cameras.
Canon, Nikon, Sony, etc. And by using our software, you essentially get more image quality.
This software is used by more than 100,000 photographers, and here we see a significant growth opportunity.
Having successfully built the business over 20 years, the management team, who were also majority owners of the company, decided they needed to find a new investor to take the business into its next growth phase.
Phase 1 had gone through a very strong period before we decided to find a partner, and we felt that it was important for us to find a partner that could help us and push us to see the business grow beyond the numbers and the positions we had.
We wanted to continue to be investors in the business. We like the business and we believe that the business has quite a bit of additional potential. So we looked for finding a set of fresh eyes, because you need somebody to come in with some strategic smarts and some good fresh ideas. So we decided we wanted to invite in a new majority shareholder, and we started the process together with an investment bank.
Carnegie, which is a well-known investment house in Denmark, rang me and said, listen, we have got a mandate to sell a business. It's slightly different to normal because the management team are already the owners. But it's hugely international, it's a market leader, and we think it might be something that you would like. So I was introduced to Henrik Håkansson and his team. We were hugely enthused by his ambition.
It was very clear from the first call that they were asking some tough questions. Exactly the kind of challenge that we were looking for in terms of finding somebody who could help us take the business to the next level.
In March 2014, Silverfleet Capital invested in Phase 1, partnering with the management team to unlock significant growth potential.
Our investment thesis was very clear with Phase 1, was look, you have this fantastic technology that has got a commercial application. We should focus on taking your technology and spreading it into a much bigger market.
To take a business which focused on photographers and convert that into an image capture and image processing business.
Phase 1 needed to gain complete control of its manufacturing and acquire its Japanese partner, Mamiya Digital Imaging. Such control would lead to greater efficiencies throughout the manufacturing process.
We wanted to have full control of our camera and lens supply.
With input from the Silverfleet team, we did a business case to analyze the financial impact.
We're happy to give management as much support as they need for an acquisition. And for the MDI acquisition, which was quite a big acquisition, we helped them in trying to price the deal and then to help them raise bank financing to pay for the deal.
For a leading technology business, continued innovation is essential, so research and development is a key focus for Phase 1.
The ability to innovate and innovate intelligently, understanding the customer's actual demands, is an absolute core discipline. That is the foundation that this company has been built on.
That's a vast majority of our cost, basically. It goes into R&D investments.
You have to spend R&D to be at the forefront, and Phase 1 is undoubtedly the tech leader in its field.
It's what gives us our edge. Being able to push the technical boundaries and keep on making something that nobody else can do.
Recently, we launched the XF camera body on the professional photography side, which was a major step change in the medium format market, and then we followed that up with the launch of the 100 megapixel digital back.
It's a huge step forward in image quality. This camera is an integrated component in a larger system consisting of the camera body, the digital back, the lens, Capture One software, and all these different systems are all part of one system.
We have continued to invest in our Capture One software. There's been a range of additions to this strong image processing software.
Recent investment in the industrial division based in Israel came in the form of an acquisition of market-leading shutter technology.
It's hugely important to Phase 1 because it allows it to make its system more durable, at least 5 times more durable than it was previously, which should really help it penetrate new industrial markets.
Silverfleet continues to be an active investor in the business, with work continuing to build the brand and enhance sales and distribution channels.
We want to be the leader in every single one of the market niches that we want to compete in. Silverfleet has helped the Phase 1 organization to become a much stronger organization step by step, and there's still a lot of opportunities for doing things in a better way. The one thing which we are all preoccupied with is to secure that we continue to grow the business, makes the business stronger, so that the business can fare even better in the future.